Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the MyCertificates section of your Beacon International MyAccount, where you can easily access and manage all your important company certificates. First, log into your MyAccount. Then navigate to the MyCertificates area, found here. Here, you'll find three main categories: Hire Certificates, Service Work Certificates, and Face Fit Certificates. Each category contains all your relevant company documents. Hire Certificates display details of hired items, including name, item number, test, and expiry dates, with options to view or download. Service Work Certificates cover a range of tests, such as DOP, PAT, GasSafe, and more. Select a category to view certificates, including name, title, item and serial numbers, test and expiry dates, and view download options. You can easily search for specific certificates using the item or serial number in the search bar here. Face Fit certificates show employee names, respirator tested, test and expiry dates with view download options. MyCertificates provides a centralised and convenient way to access all your important company documents. We hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please contact our support team via the website or please call your local branch.